Now, viewers, the latest spell of rains have raised questions over the Delhi government's claims that around 95% of desilting work had been completed ahead of the monsoon season. Now, Delhi's drainage system is once again under scrutiny after heavy rains on 24th of August left several parts of the capital waterlogged. Despite the reported desilting, several roads and low-lying areas were flooded in the national capital, with waterlogging disrupting traffic and daily movement across the city. Now, Delhi's Safdarjung area received 34.6 mm of rain. Janakpuri was the wettest part of the city with 72.5 mm of rains, followed by Ayanagar at 69.1 mm and Chhatarpur 61.5 mm. In other areas, if we talk about, Palam is at 58.2 mm, Delhi Ridge received a rainfall of 43.2 mm and Lodi Road at 41.7 mm. Now, the heavy downpour has also brought the focus back on Delhi's aging drainage network and the city's preparedness to handle intense monsoon rainfall. In fact, Arzu, we are in fact seeing these visuals that you are getting us from ITO in the national capital. Of course, there is a complete gridlock if you talk about the waterlogging and the traffic situation in the capital. Of course, it seems like the drainage system is giving way.
Well, absolutely, and in fact, there were several claims that was done by the Delhi government as far as the preparations of rainfall is concerned. But what you're witnessing on ground, the situation, the reality is completely different, because there are several posh areas, locality which are are under scrutiny, which are being waterlogged, and this ITO is one of the such a stretch of road which is waterlogged. In fact, as you talked about the drainage, it was claimed that the silting work has been completed, 95% desilting has already been done. But as you can see, current situation, I would request my camera person to show, the corner of these ITO. As you can see, the entire drainage has been blocked right now. There is no drainage system. The water is not passing through this drainage. So definitely, the desilting claim that has been done is now under scrutiny, because the entire drainage has been blocked at the ITO, and not only at the ITO but at several places. Because of the failure of the drainage, this situation is prevailing. And as far as the water logging is concerned, as you can clearly witness the situation right now at the ITO, the half stretch of the road is waterlogged. In fact, it is still raining in the national capital, and in few hours there will be more waterlogging in this area. That will lead to more problem for the commuters who are passing through this lane, and also as these are the peak hour, in just few time there will be more traffic in this area. Then this will lead to also traffic congestion, which is one of the major issue of this current road. Yes,
clearly a challenge for the residents of Delhi. Do stay with us, we have more breaking news to cover. In fact, viewers, the IMD has now issued a red warning for all